Hi, this is Yolanda DeArmond, week 6 of the digestive system. So, the description of the digestive system. So, imagine you just took a bite of your burger, cheeseburger, but I'm going to say mine's going to be a vegan burger because I'm vegan. So, imagine you just took a bite of your vegan burger while you are savoring the melody of flavors inside your mouth. You basically just clocked in for work. With that first bite, your incisors, these front teeth, they're They're used for biting. So they just clocked in for work. And with that first bite, your incisors initiate the process. And then your canines, your back teeth, and your molars collaborate. So they use the saliva and they mix all together with your tongue. And it pushes it back, breaking down the food, breaking down the burger, the lettuce, all the vegetables, the tomato, the whatever you put on your burger, okay? And then with that saliva, break down the burger into, it's called an ingestible bolus. So it transforms from that burger that you took the bite of to now a big old wad of mush, a collaboration of everything you ate. And then with that, from there, it's assisted by the tongue, like I said. I'm trying to read and hold the camera. This is hard. And then saliva breaks down the burger into an ingestible bolus, assisted by the tongue, pushing the food towards your throat. So the back of your throat, which also is now then your esophagus. Next, the warm, mechanically broken down food enters our esophagus, moving downward by way of peristalsis. So it's a wave-like motion that moves downward, down the esophagus, travels all the way down to ensure that our food doesn't go in reverse. So to ensure that our food doesn't go in reverse, it is stopped by our esophageal sphincter. So this esophageal sphincter closes, so that way if it stays open, that's when we get the acid reflux and the food comes back up the esophagus. Then the now broken down bolus, is about to enter our stomach. Inside of our stomach, acids and other enzymes further break down the food, turning it from a mashed potato consistency to a liquefied one. The liquid substance moves on to the small intestines, which has 3 compartments: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The ileum is responsible for the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Enzymes released by the pancreas and bile from the liver also assists with the digestion of fat and eliminates waste products from our blood. Whatever's left over and that's not utilized is then passed on to the larger intestine, or the colon. The large intestine has 5 compartments: the cecum, ascending colon, descending colon, transverse colon, and the sigmoid colon. From its liquid state, the food now is transformed into a solid form. All the water is now removed, so it's eliminated, taken out. It's drier, and the solid mass is stored in our sigmoid colon until movement occurs. The rectum receives the stool from the colon, and it stays there until a message is sent from the brain, like our body has internal signals instructing evacuation, basically telling our body communicates with itself to letting us know if we need to have a bowel movement or not. If the brain sends an okay signal, the sphincter muscles, they relax and the rectum contracts, causing a bowel movement. If there is no movement, the sphincter contracts and the sensation goes away. Then finally, the anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. The upper part is able to detect rectal contents and decipher if its contents are gas, liquid, or solid. The floor of the rectum, which is the internal sphincter, has the ability to stop stool from coming out when it's not supposed to. the external sphincter keeps the stool until we're able to get, excuse me, to the restroom. And sometimes we find that we are not able to go for different reasons. Sometimes it's psychological, this or that, nervous, whatever. Some people are not able to use the restroom, even when they have that signal. And so basically, once we go to the restroom and defecate, the external sphincter, after we eliminate the toxins from our body, that's what having a bowel movement is eliminating the toxic waste from our bodies. That's it. That's the journey of that vegan burger that we took a bite of. That's this tour, entering the mouth, being broken down by saliva and our incisors, our teeth, different parts of our teeth, down to our esophagus, to our stomach, to the small intestine, which has its acids and enzymes, to the large intestine, to the colon, and then to the toilet. So that's the journey, and this is concluding our journey of our delicious vegan burger. Thank you.